Robinhood accounts were looted. So about a week ago, there were reports that Robinhood accounts were looted, as in the money was stolen. This raised a question: can you trust online stock broker or online stock trading platform? Robinhood is in the USA. It is a platform which allows you to buy and sell stocks for free. Yes, free. A lot of moms and dads, and also little kids, were using Robinhood to invest into the stock market because they have so much money from the stimulus in America. They were buying stocks for as little as $10. They made money, so they deposited more and more money, and suddenly, poof, the money was gone, looted by Robinhood. So in this video, I will share with you my understanding of what happened. So Robinhood is an online stock trading platform. They do not charge a fee for you to buy and sell shares, but because they make almost no money, they cannot afford to have a customer service telephone line. So these customers who got their money stolen tried to call Robinhood, but they couldn't find a telephone number on their website. So they sent an email, waited and waited. Some smart customers went to social media and finally got a response. To put it into perspective, the Robinhood has over 13 million customer accounts. Only around 2,000 accounts were affected, so it is a small percentage. The way the scam works is like this. The scammer somehow gains access to your email account, so it wasn't the Robinhood account which was compromised. It was actually the customer's email account, like the Gmail or Outlook. So the attacker tried to reset your Robinhood account password. Robinhood sent a password reset email to the customer's email address. And because the attacker had access to the email account, they can reset the Robinhood password. The attacker at this point will then delete the Robinhood password reset email, or even mark that as a spam, so that any future emails from Robinhood will go directly to the spam folder. As you know, if you receive a spam email, usually you do not even see it and you don't even receive a notification. So the attacker starts to withdraw your money from your Robinhood account and even sell your stocks within the Robinhood platform. The customer then emailed Robinhood because Robinhood had no telephone number. But when Robinhood responded, their email went into the spam folder. So the customer never sees the response and they get really anxious and angry. In some extreme instances, Robinhood deactivated some accounts, but the attacker created a fake identification to reactivate it. The forgery had the customer's information, but with a photo of a different person. So there are two key issues with low-cost trading platforms. Robinhood users suffered loss because of one of them, but I'll also discuss the second issue. So the first issue is, as you know, the lack of a telephone number. That means if your email account gets hacked, while you cannot call Robinhood, there is limited action that you can do. If you are in Australia, you may know about a similar platform like Stake, Superhero, or Spaceship and Raise. I had a look at Stake and they didn't seem to have a telephone number, at least not one that I could find easily. Superhero doesn't have one either. Spaceship has one, which is 1-300-049-532. Raise doesn't seem to have one either. Robinhood does have something called a two-factor authentication. You know, the SMS code which you often receive when you transfer a large amount of money with your internet banking. But even this text message code is not fully secure because there is something called a SIM swap. This is where the attacker can call your cellular company and tell them that you have lost your SIM card and want to get a replacement. So the safer way may be to use another authentication method like Google Authenticator or the good old authentication dongle. You know, the little device that you carry with you all the time. Robinhood does offer both SMS code and Google Authenticator. It is just that most customers didn't even bother turning that on. Now, the second issue with the low-cost trading platform is that they often hold your stock as a custodian. Like a trustee, they hold the stocks for you, but the stocks are not directly owned under your name. The owner on the paperwork is the stock trading platform. So if the stock trading platform goes bust, you may lose your stocks. There are actually some form of insurance which the stock trading platform has purchased. So there is a bit of protection there. But if possible, you don't want to put all of your life savings into this sort of platform. And also, if possible, choose a platform which does not allow short selling, CFD, and margin lending. This is because if the platform does not offer those facilities, the chance of them going bankrupt is extremely small. I mean, if all their customers do is buy and sell stocks, the platform usually makes money from the brokerage. They usually do not lose money and do not go bankrupt. They need the customer to deposit the money first before the stock is purchased, so they are not exposed to the credit risk of the customer. If you want to learn more about what happened with Robinhood and how you can protect yourself if you have Robinhood, check out the video linked in the description down below by another YouTuber which I closely follow. Like me, he makes a lot of videos on personal finance and investing, and do check it out if you have Robinhood and want to protect your account. Take care guys and have a lovely day.